Welcome to this video on client and user management. Today I'm going to explain to you how to add new clients, transactions and users to the environment. First, the clients. On the right in settings I have clients. It's very easy and very straightforward, but I press the button new client. I give it a name. Let's call it today video. I have to add how many characters are allowed to be crawled per company in a benchmark and how many URLs are allowed to be crawled per company in a benchmark, and I press save. Now a new client called video has been added to the system. Of course, I need access to this client myself, so I'm going to give client access to myself and colleagues. I do this in the user rights part. I press user rights and I press my name, and then of course I'll press select all. And now 12 out of 12 items are selected and I have all the rights. I need to change that one. However, my colleague Thomas is new. As you can see, he has no rights whatsoever and no access to clients. So I'll give him access as well. I can select all at once that all 12 clients, that he has access to all 12 clients. Or I can say he is only allowed to visit client B. And I can give him rights. As you can see here, there's an explanation per item how the rights are added. Once I'm done, I press back and I go back to home. As you can see, there is the video in here with 0 transactions. Of course, I want to add a transaction to this environment. So I'll press new transaction and I get a very small screen. I'll give it a name, let's call it video. A transaction type, well, this will be a manufacturing benchmark. Whereas the principal party will be the management service provider and the least complex party is the contract manufacturer. As you can see, there are no benchmarks in this client environment, so I'll press open. It's completely empty and I can press a new benchmark. As you can see this screen, or I can duplicate a benchmark. If I press new benchmark, you get this screen. Let's say wholesale of pet food. You select all the right items, you select the mandatory items, so you need to have the region, you need to have the date on which the database has been updated, mainly for your own audit trail purposes. You select who is the preparer and who is the reviewer. So I select myself being the preparer and my colleague Thomas as being the reviewer of this benchmark. Then I'm heading on to selecting the correct transfer pricing method and PLI. I press save and now I have a new benchmark in this particular video environment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.